Okay, so we just transferred again to a new hotel. This is a vessel in Nueno area. Let's just check our room. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda pa rin ng kulay ng ating room. Wood tone, and then 2 beds para naman more comfortable kami. A working area. And there are sockets. Here, 1, 2, 3. Telephone. They are very generous na magpahiram ng mga chargers, wires. Let's go inside naman sa bathroom. It has a bathtub, shower, complete bathroom amenities. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung blower. It comes with towel as well. Bath towel, face towel. For you to put on your luggage here, we have here the sleepwear. And if you have an extra luggage or extra bag, you can put it here together with the hangers. Meron din. And then you can use this. Oh, by the way, they have here the slippers, glasses, cups, kettle, and here you can use also the fridge. You just have to turn it on and then put on your bottles. Speaking of sockets, we have here another 2 sockets. Individually siya magagamit. So that's it for now, and we can just have a full review very soon. Bye-bye!